I am Anish and today I am going to unbox a selfie camera foldable drone which comes in this box. The box quality is very good. You can carry the drone anywhere with this bag. Now let's start the unboxing. This box has a zipper. By opening the zipper you can see everything. Here you can see is accessories pouch. Here you will get many accessories like propeller guards, charging cable, USB to micro USB, screwdriver and extra propellers. Let's keep it aside and now come to this manual. Camera application names Wi-Fi cam. You can download it Android or iOS. And here is the drone manual. By reading it you can know about your drone, how to repair it, how to fly it, everything. Keep this aside and now come to the main things, which is remote and drone. Here is the remote. The remote comes with 2.4 GHz frequency. On the top of the remote here is the antenna that does not work. Here is the joysticks and the buttons, trim buttons. On the top of the remote here is the high and low speed mode, headless mode, 360-degree rollover and gyroscope calibration. On the back of the remote you can see here the battery compartment. You have to insert 3 AA size batteries, then you can operate the remote. Try to insert great quality cells in the remote, then remote will be paired with the drone. Then remote is ready. Let's come on the drone. Here is the main things that you are waiting for, the drone. This drone comes with the great look. This drone comes with the skeleton face, which is very dangerous and very attractive looking. You can unfold the drone like that. This drone unfolds like DJI Mavic Mini. This drone has dual camera, one on the front and another on the bottom. This drone comes with a great battery, 3.7 volt 1800 mAh. You can charge it with the cable. At first insert the micro USB cable to this socket, then insert this USB port to your mobile phone USB adapter. This battery takes 25 to 30 minutes to fully charge and then you can play with the drone around 10 to 12 minutes. Let's keep everything aside and come to the drone and remote. At first you have to insert the battery in the drone, then you have to power on the drone. Here is the on off switch on the top of the drone. When you power on, the indicator lights will flash and the drone will be ready for connect. Then you have to on the remote, then pull the left joystick up and down. The drone will be paired with the remote and you can download this camera application which names Wi-Fi cam. Here is the camera application Wi-Fi cam. Before opening the app you have to connect the drone with mobile's Wi-Fi, or tap on the Wi-Fi and connect it manually. Then you have to go to the application Wi-Fi cam. After allowing everything you will able to use its camera. Its camera comes with 1080p footage that is quite good for this price range. Then you can attach this mobile to your remote, then you can fly it. Here is the mobile phone holder. Simply insert the mobile in the remote, then you will be able to fly the drone. And now the drone is ready to take off. Let's go into the ground. Here we are in the ground. Let's take off the drone. Oh, this drone flies very smoothly. This drone has headless mode, 1K return, flip mode and many other features. If you are a beginner and you did not fly any drone in past, then this drone is great for you because this drone features barometer height set and 1K takeoff. That is great for a beginner. In its camera application you can enjoy many features that you don't see in the remote. So if you want to buy this drone, then the links are in the description. You can buy it from Super Toy Store or Amitasa Store or Harinder stores. Here is the camera footage. This drone features dual camera, but the front camera is better than the bottom camera. So you can use the front camera to take photos or videos of bottom, because this front camera moves 90 degree downwards, so you can easily take the bottom footage. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video so that we can make many videos like that. See you in the next video and bye bye.